Welcome viewers to Softedemy, a software engineering academy. We are discussing about planning engineers question and answers part 3. Question number 25. What is the difference between float and slack? Answer: nothing, just synonyms. Question number 26. What is the difference between planner and a scheduler? Answer: both are quite different but linked to each other tightly. Somewhere there are just synonyms to each other. Planner or planning engineer reads the IFC drawings, define the activities, duration and resources according to site construction conditions. He knows better all the phases of work to be done even during the tender stage and also at the construction stage. It should be from an engineering background necessarily. On the other end, scheduler takes over the work done already by the planner to make a more detailed one. This job does not require to have an engineering background. Question number 27. What is different percent complete type in Primavera P6? Answer: physical, unit and duration. Question number 28. What is different duration type in Primavera P6? Answer: fixed units part time, fixed duration and units part time. Question number 29. What is productivity? Answer: productivity is the efficiency of any working entity. It is measured as the amount of output for work per hour. Productivity rates define how efficient a team you have. Formula is productivity is equal to output by input. Example: let's say you have two masons, call A and B, and let's review their work for last week. A work for 50 hours and a B for 30 hours. A fixed 5,000 blocks and B did 3,500 blocks. As a planner, you may like A as it is putting more on, but let's have a check on productivity for both. Mason A is equal to 5,000 divided by 50 hour is equal to 100 hours per day. Mason B is equal to 3,500 divided by 30 hour is equal to 116 per hour. Here B is much more productive than A and hence you need to raise the skill level of A type, Mason by proper training, etc. Question number 30. What are the different levels of a schedule? Answer: there is a different school of thought to define levels of a program. One says it's 6 level, other says it's 5. Even one thinks only 4 levels of a program are there. When scheduling, here I will explain the 6 levels as most of the old school people still think as more logical there are. Level 1 overview schedule. Level 2 area wise schedule. Level 3 discipline wise schedule. Level 4 major activities schedule. Level 5 detailed activities schedule. Level 6 micro detail activities schedule. Question number 31. What is the difference between project planner and project controller? Answer. Project planner does the planning phase for the project from WBS identification of project deliverables, milestones, create the baseline plan, the project cash flow and KPIs and trackers. The planner is to prepare the program and prepare an acceptable budget for all parties. Project control provides assistance and ensure that the plan is controlled by providing a risk register, analyzing critical path, placing mitigation plans, track project KPI, and ensure that the project is running on time and budget. Its focus is only productivity and reports according to organizational norms. Question number 32. What you normally present in a weekly report? Answer. It depends on the demand of stakeholders on a particular project. Normally, I update the schedule with a proper backup, do required baseline comparisons, critical path, the display activities are important to consider on 3 weeks look ahead. 3 WLHS EVM reports are also included in my report. I draw S-curve for man-hour, cost, manpower histogram, equipment histogram. Furthermore, I always update the procurement schedule separately in MS Excel to track other materials. Long lead items are already being tracked and updated accordingly in my baseline schedule. So the video will be to be continued to part 4. Keep watching Softedemy. Don't forget to press the bell icon, like, comment and share. We will meet in a next video. Thanks for watching Softedemy again.